guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial. If you're new here, my name is Cynthia. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I achieved this look. So subscribe and leave the notification bell on so that you can be notified anytime I post. Without saying much, let's get started.
So guys, for this video I'm starting with my face. Usually I start with my eyebrows, then my eyes, but today the routine is different and it's just my normal foundation routine and my face routine. It's just that I started with my face, so I'll just let you watch the video because then I'll do the tutorial when it comes to the eyeshadow part, since this is a smoky eye tutorial. And guys, don't forget to watch my other videos. I have a detailed tutorial on how to do your eyebrow, how to do a eyeshadow and a cut crease. Don't forget to watch them. I'll link them in the description box below, and also how I do a full face makeup. I'll just link them in the description box. So I set my under eye using that white powder to catch any eyeshadow fall whenever I'm doing my eyeshadow. And the white powder gave me flashbacks, but there are other white powders you can use to set your under eye and they just come out so well. So right now I'm taking that black eyeshadow and I'm just chopping it in, like I'm drawing like a wing liner with that flat brush using that black eyeshadow. And always use little black eyeshadow, it can get so messy. Just take a little and you'll add whenever there's need to. So I'm taking my BH Cosmetics brush. It's a fluffier brush and I'm just using it to tap that black eyeshadow on my lid. Always use a fluffy brush to just tapping until you're satisfied. So right now I'm taking that orange shade using another clean fluffy brush and I'm just tapping it in to blend with the black eyeshadow. So at this step you just tap in and add the colors until you get the final color that you want, like a pigmented color. And guys, like you can see, I'm blending the colors until they become one thing, like there's no line of demarcation, like here's black and here's the orange color. So I'm using that orange color Morocco to blush my cheeks, and an orange blush is always cute, guys. You can try it out. So right now I'm just blushing my cheeks, and that's it. And I'm also using that black and orange color to line my waterline. So I decided to go in with the white eyeshadow on my inner corner, and that's what I'm doing.
So guys, this is the final look and I love how it came out. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let's interact in the comment section. I'll catch you in my next video, guys. Bye.